Hey guys, it's Molly with Design Loves Detail, and today we've got Walmart finds. These are some fall must-haves that look way more expensive than they actually are. Some of you guys might be familiar with the Better Homes and Gardens line from Walmart. It is so good. I'm going to show you how I put together my place settings. These are great for your holiday hosting, but really like neutral enough stuff that you can use all year round, which I love. So kind of starting this place setting with the, these are like a jute placemat. I love the texture. It adds a perfect foundation for our place setting here. And then some really great tableware. They have this line that comes in a couple different colors. It's like a stoneware, and it's so solid and really beautiful because I love that it's not too shiny. It's a little more on the matte side. And this color is the cream, but almost reads as like a green, which of course I love. And we've got the main plate and then just a salad plate that I'm gonna stack there. I love that color, just a little subtle color with our neutrals that we have going on, of course. And next, we're gonna bring our, well, first let me set these down. We've got our napkin, of course. Really cute little detail with the stitching and kind of a linen color with cute fringe detail on the end. And the wood makes it have a little bit of that organic, natural feel that I love. You can use these, of course, like I have them, or they're also really cute across the plate, like a bow, because who doesn't love a bow? I love bows anyways, but really versatile. You can do a lot of things with these. So we're gonna set those there and bring in a little bit of, just a little fancy with their goldware. Again, Better Homes and Gardens, they delivered on these because this is the perfect gold. It's not too brassy, and then it's like got the cute fluted detail there on the handle. So kind of like a champagne gold, I would say. I've loved those. And then of course this warmer tone is just great for keeping things feeling like it's the perfect balance, I think, of being fancy but not too flashy. We're gonna throw the these cute glasses in there. That one I love because it has that weighted base. So these are better, like if you have kids, they're not as easy to knock over. It's got a nice solidness to them, but still an organic shape, which I look for as well. The bowls, so these ones are more of like a soup or cereal bowl, and you can kind of see the variation. I love the way that that has kind of an organic feel too with the blend of the glaze they use. So pretty. And then just for fun, we've got our little pumpkin with the place cards around the stem. So an easy thing to do if you're setting your Thanksgiving table, maybe even any fall, or I think these would also work for Christmas, doing a tag like this and just switching up that centerpiece. So it's not too fall, but we're just doing a little touch for this purpose. Here is the other color that I really love in the stoneware. It's kind of a brown, but it's like a gray brown, so really still kind of neutral. And this bowl is one of my favorites. It's more of like a salad, I'd use it as like a salad bowl. So I'd do these or the salad plate, but this is cute because it's just got a different shape and it's still really versatile. You can see that stacked, how cute that looks. And then they've got the mugs as well. So some really good options there. Of course, I have both colors because sometimes you need them both. So that's how I would do your Better Homes and Gardens place settings, and I'm going to show you guys a couple of hosting favorites too. All right, found this cute charcuterie board from them as well, and this, I love that the details, the little tools and the handle tie in with the silverware, goldware, I guess, that we have over on the table, so I thought that was super cute. And then it's just got really pretty wood, and I've got some fall treats here so we can kind of set this up. I just think this is great for when you have your appetizers, or you know, a little something when guests come, so you can have it be fall snacks. I would also add like some cubed cheeses. I mainly grabbed sweet snacks for this one, but I think that would be perfect for this as well. Got some pumpkin cookies. Oh, these smell good. That'll get you in the fall spirit. Nothing like pumpkin vibes. Are you guys pumpkin people or no? I feel like it's a pretty high ratio of people that like pumpkin season, but tell me in comments. if you are into the pumpkin things or not. It smells freaking good. I'll admit I am. But I'm kind of into all things that are food related, so pumpkin was an easy sell. We got this one, pumpkin spice pop. I don't know what these are, but we're just gonna be surprised. Oh, it's another, okay, so another kind of fall popcorn. It actually looks really good. Oh, there's a big blob. Look, it's like a popcorn ball. I would use that. Okay, so I would probably do on this row, even though I didn't buy any, like some cube cheeses and stuff like that. But I love that these little tools come with too. So freaking cute. All right, I want to show you some other cozy things and a couple of a little peek at their furniture line, because that's awesome too. For fall and winter, of course, I love to add layers, and if you're in the same boat, they've got some really affordable and really pretty options. I love this knit throw. It's just like a sweater, and really pretty little texture to it, and brown, loving the brown. There's also a cream, and they have a few other colors in that as well, so really a bunch of great options with those knit throws. And these would be good for gifting as well, like even for your neighbors or something for the holidays. So if you do a little Christmas gift for neighbors. This pillow I thought was really cute too. And you can see the texture on it. It's got a nice feel. And then you can actually also flip it if you wanted a more smooth. So it's kind of a versatile option with the two different fabrics. Now, let me show you the chairs. You probably noticed I added some new chairs over at the dining table, and they're pretty dang cute. These chairs, here they are, really great for a dining room because they're on casters, so they're easy to move around, but yet they also have a really cool fabric. This is a new item, and it comes in a couple different colors. This is the cream. Love it so much how the shape is organic, and they're comfy too. And then I'm gonna show you guys soon a couple other furniture items from the new Better Homes and Gardens collection, including they have a pretty looking recliner, which we've all been waiting for, so cannot wait to show you that. I will see you next time.